going to get a new kitten. We are going to get it now, and I cannot wait to bring the little kitten into our home and introduce it to Luna. Not right now, we have to wait till we get its vaccinations and everything, but when the time is right, we will. But we're really excited to go get it, so yay. Hi, baby!
We didn't even go out of our way to get this cat. Pretty much just fell into our lap.
Oh, hi, baby! He's so small, he's like this. I don't even know if you can tell. So cute. Baby, hi! Oh, you're taking a little nappy? We're taking the baby inside now, so we're excited / nervous because we haven't told anyone that we got a cat. We have her set up, or him, in the bathroom, and we're gonna give it a bath now, right, little baby? And this is what we have set up right now. That's all the flea stuff, and then this is her food area. We have to get her bowls, but we have them at our other house, so we didn't want to buy new ones. So we just use those for now. Look at the baby. Hi. Currently napping after we gave it its bath and all the flea stuff, so we're letting it just like chill out and have its time. Made a cute little bed area for him so he's comfortable, and it is a guy because when we were cleaning it, it has balls. Yeah, so I'm just making myself some food now. I'm having some strawberries and some bloobs, and yeah, that's about it for now. I'm gonna sit in there and edit with him, so hopefully that'll go good. He's super sweet though, like he just wants to like hold you, like be in your arms, which is adorable. He was totally fine in the water, which was beyond me. I didn't think that he would be able to do that. He's literally the sweetest, so I really hope that Luna and him can get along. I'm not gonna reveal the name yet. I'll reveal that at the end of the video. Update, so he's just chilling, sleeping in there. We're just keeping him in the bathroom because it's a smaller area and he won't feel overwhelmed or whatever. And we want to just separate him and Luna until he gets his shots and all of the fleas are out. So, yeah. So cute. Oh my goodness. Good boy. Good boy. He's hungry. This is such a good sign. Yay. Our baby Luna's chilling over here. Who do you think is gonna win?
Me. Two to one, I'm winning.
All right.
2 serving 4. 4 serving 4.
Score?
Win 5-4.
Right. Dub. I took the L, but in my defense, he was hitting it in the kitchen, so whatever. End of the vlog. Thanks so much for coming along with us. I'm gonna show us the baby kitty. And yeah. He's literally such a good cat. Well, I hope you guys liked my vlog and enjoyed getting a cat with me, a kitten, and I hope that we'll have another vlog with him in it soon. You love it? I know, Benno.